So the top credit unions I usually recommend is PenFed, Navy Federal, and then another one I really like is one that's in your local area. Like, do not sleep on the ones in your local area. I remember when I tried to refinance my house. I tried to refinance my house. I paid cash for it. I tried to refinance it. I went to all the local banks, all the credit unions in the area, and most of them say no. When I tell you, I had like so many banks say no. I went to one that was literally down the street. That was the smallest credit union, only had a few branches, and they actually gave me the loan to refinance my car. And not only did they not refinance my car, but they gave me the loan to refinance my house. They gave me a loan on my house, but they actually refinanced my car, and they gave me a $6,000 credit card when I was kind of new to credit. So I definitely tell people to go to their local credit union because they can probably outbeat like some of these higher credit unions that you always hear, like maybe Federal and FinFed and things like that. Now, when you guys deal with the local credit unions, you can talk to them. Like the person that's finna give you the loan, the person that's finna give you the money is right there in your face. You don't have to go through no system. Oh, we got to send this out, or we just send it now. You don't have to go through that process where they just applying the same way you're going to apply. A lot of times that person that's right in front of you, when you're applying for anything, whether it's a car, house, and that person is right in front of you, the person that's going to approve it. So I really like if you guys can go to like your local credit union because that's going to help you guys out a lot.